Leslie, I always love having you on the show. Your recipes are so tasty, but what's your favourite recipe?
Oh, thank you, Ben. Next one, I'm going to do a lovely stir-fried noodles.
Great.
You can look at that. What a great product in the market.
This place is like just a palette for your eyes, isn't it? So much inspiration everywhere.
Look at the lovely capsicum.
Cool. Do we need any of these?
Oh, perfect. We make some.
Cool. We're back in the kitchen with Leslie Chang for some Asian inspiration.
Lovely, my friend.
What are we
Welcome back.
cooking? What are we cooking?
So now we're cooking a lovely dish, stir-fried noodles with beef.
So where do we start with this recipe?
So
what do I
first
do?
one, okay, what you do, okay, you can see it here.
Boiling water.
Dancing in the wok. Okay, what we do, can you help me to put inside?
Yep.
So this is vermicelli. This is rice noodles. Cook in the water for a few minutes.
So what kind of beef is that?
So I just porterhouse.
Porterhouse.
Yeah, porterhouse is more tender and nice, but you can use whatever you like. And also don't forget Asian food in the wok, small and nice. So
small, nice and fast.
This may be a bit too big. So now I cut in smaller size. It becomes that big, now you can see the size, Ben. And lovely.
Yeah, little
and then also
strips.
to cook more quicker. So sometimes when you working at home or finish work very busy, we don't have time. So that's why we do this one, quick and easy.
That's what I love about Asian food is it is so quick and simple.
Yes.
So you can get your hungry kids, hungry family fed really, really quickly and with some great flavours.
Lovely.
What sauces are we using today?
So you can get oyster sauce, soy sauce and sesame oil.
Yeah, so there's different types of soy sauce as well. There's dark, there's light.
Very good point, Ben. So in the market, we've got two types of soy sauce. One is the dark soy sauce, the other one is light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is more dark in colors, but more lighter, sweeter.
Yep.
But light soy sauce is more lighter, but rich in color and rich in taste.
Ah.
That's the one.
So dark is sweeter.
Yeah, sweeter. So only for the coloring.
Yep. Now, do I need to make these cold or is it
Yes,
fine?
it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Fresh and nice, Ben.
Yes.
So you put all the vegetables inside.
So is your mum a good cook?
My grandmom's good cook. My grandmom's a perfect cook. That's what I learned from her.
Yes, I think everyone's grandmother's a good cook.
You can see now the stir in here.
Yep.
Nice and smell.
You got the muscle workout as well.
25 years. You can see this one.
Yeah, lovely. I love the
Aromatic.
smell. Yes.
Nice.
You didn't use this time though, garlic or ginger, so.
Yeah, because this one is for, I think the meat's already really strong in taste. I want to get the other ingredient to distract it.
Okay, yep.
So now you're ready, almost ready. Okay,
Yep.
the beef can bring in now.
Which one?
The beef here.
Oh,
okay.
the beef.
Look at that. Stir it again. You can see the color. Oh, nice. Okay. Now, okay, you should be a wok star.
Wok star.
You can do it, my friend. Oh, look at that, Ben.
Yeah, baby.
Nice. So now you stir a little bit more.
Stir it up.
So now single hand.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And you can see now the color has already come out. So they call it caramelization.
Caramelization,
In the wall. And then also the color, everything comes in. So now what we're doing now, the meats, vegetables, everything try to combine together.
Yep.
So that's what we want. Nice and good. Good combination.
Superb. What's your favorite meal, Leslie?
Actually, my favorite meal is Peking duck.
Ah, of course. With the pancakes first?
Yeah. So what I do just last week, I do the Peking duck and then my pancake at home. Everyone love it.
Yeah, I bet you make the best duck.
Yeah, most important, every time you cook it, from your heart.
That's
most
it.
important.
You've got to cook from your heart. You heard that here.
So now you can see the colors always come out.
Yep.
And sometimes what I do, I don't stir all the time. I leave here for 1 minute. So I get the meat, touch the wok, kiss the wok.
Kiss the wok.
Yeah, and then make a burnt taste. Oh, look at the noodles. Good toast. Last but not least, I get all the sauces.
Yep. So bring
Soy
this over.
sauce, lovely ligamki oyster, this is
The
sesame oil.
sesame oil. I love this one. It's roasted, isn't it?
Yeah, the roasted sesame seeds, very
so
good
good.
quality. And now you toast it.
Now you go fast.
Otherwise they will stick. After you put the sauce in it, they will stick in the wok, bring it in.
Yeah, and you got to put it in from up high.
Because the dust of love.
Yes.
Do this one like this?
The touch of love.
Yeah, you see the color. Okay, like rain. Okay, the love from the rain, from the roof. Look at that.
That looks superb.
Perfect, my friend. Okay, can you help me do the last toast?
Yes. Last toss?
Yeah, come on, toss. Oh, nice. Good job, my friend. Okay, now we can do dancing.
Dancing.
Okay, now we put on here. Already done. So what I do?
That smells amazing,
What I
Leslie.
do? I put the noodle first.
Yep.
Very nice. Look at the color.
Yes.
And then now what I'm doing, I put the beef
All on top.
on the side.
On the side, yeah.
It's like mountain celebration. So what I like the food is also about celebration of the love
Yes.
and gathering.
Oh, you're a romantic, Leslie.
This one, I think, it's good dish or best dish when you're cooking a family gathering.
Yes.
Your mom or your daddy or your friend come to your house, you cook it within 10 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
Big plate in the middle of the table. You all
Yeah.
help yourself, banquet style. Can I do this?
Yeah, please, yeah. That's of love, my friend. Oh, look at that. I like it, my friend. Do it together, come on. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
That.
And also I got lovely garnish here. We used before. Oh,
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
little capsicum.
And how about that for some Asian inspiration? What do we call it, chef?
So this stir-fry noodles with lovely beef with lee kum kee sauce.
Beautiful. Where's my weapons? I better show I'm right-handed.
Okay,
I
you're
better
right-handed.
try-
Okay, Lama, okay. Okay, so we try?
Yeah, we try.
Lama, okay.
Are noodles?
Noodles with beef, everything in your mouth.
And you're going to see how
Oh.
bad my chops.
Look at this.
Oh,
Smells great.
you have to try this
So
at home.
nice.
This is the best. So simple and so delicious.
So let's start.
Thank you.